All right, this is a quick, easy way to draw a graphic organizer on your own. If you can think of a big capital I on your paper, then you got it. So the first thing you'll do is you just draw a line across the top. It's the top of my eye. I'm going to draw two lines going down. That's the bottom or the neck. And then here's the bottom of my eye. So what you end up with is 5 distinct parts. So this would be my intro. Body 1, body 2, body 3, and your conclusion. So if you think of that as being a big I on a piece of paper, real quick and easy to draw, now you have your 5-paragraph graphic organizer.